Hey, I'm going to show you how we would like to have our properties that we have for sale posted on different websites. So first, the easiest one that we have the most responses from is on Craigslist. So we'll send you the login and you go to Craigslist. But really we want it to be Craigslist in Atlanta. So you have to go all the way down to the bottom and change it to where it says Atlanta, and then go to create a posting. And we are actually going to be posting in in multiple locations. So this particular location I have, we'll go ahead and do OTP South. And you go to for sale by owner. Go to, sorry, scratch that. Go to housing offered, and then go to real estate by owner. And then you'll go and open the file. If you haven't already opened your file, you can do this first or second. But we'll send you a PDF or Word file that has all the data of the property for sale. So um, probably just take the first sentence here. Great investment opportunity in Stockbridge, Georgia. Um, Really, this is one word. I will make sure and edit this for spelling and proofread it. And you can write something flip or rental on every one. Flip or rental. And this is Stockbridge. And there we go, postal code. Postal code would also be on the flyer. So the postal, here's that whole address. Postal code is 30281. Uh, you can get the body of the paragraph. Just copy and paste this section. Do not copy and paste this link right here. Craigslist will not allow you to post that. Copy and paste right in there. Price back on the sheet. Always switch this to house or apartment or condo, townhouse, whatever it actually is. And you can see what it is in the picture usually. Hopefully there'll be a picture of whether or not there's a garage, or if there's no garage but there's a driveway, it would be off-street parking. This has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. Right here, 1.5, 1.5 bathrooms. Um, and you can say available on the same day you're posting. And then we always check by phone and by text. And you just go and copy this first number right here, 706. This is Nick's number, so you're not going to put his full name in the Craigslist post, but you do just type in Nick. And always have where it says Craigslist mail relay. And hit continue. This is close enough to where it is on the map. If you want to, you can put the address in on Google Maps to see if it actually shows up equal, and it's close enough. So, and that's it. You can hit continue. Choose your files. You can actually go to the photo link that is in this. So, copy and paste. put that into your browser, which I've already done that. And if something pops up other than the address and shows different pictures than what's in the file that we've sent you, then there's a problem, and you should probably stop and send me a text or an email. But you just go up to this area right here, click download all, download the pictures, go back to Craigslist, add images, and at least select, the first one. These would be your picture names here. Try to choose the front view as the first picture that you upload, and then whatever else you want after that. Do as many pictures as you can, and then you click done. I'm not going to put any. This is just a test example, and then you hit publish, and for some reason it did not work. Oh, it does work. Okay, so it sends an email right away, and if it asks us to go back in and verify, we will do that. And this is what the posting looks like. You'll have pictures here if you uploaded the pictures correctly. And that is that for Craigslist. The next section we'd like to do is Facebook. We'll give you the correct login for whose Facebook to use. And if you're on a different page, then like you might show up on this page where it's the person's name at the top and not the main page. So you would want to click home, and under the name it'll have newsfeed, messenger, marketplace. So go to marketplace, and then click sell something, and then you got home for rent, items for sale. You click items for sale, select a category, property for sale. What are you selling? House. Price $120,000. Actually, let's make sure we got the right price. ARV means after repaired value. The price we are asking is actually $65,000. So I'm glad we checked on that. So $65,000. This usually pops up for wherever your computer might be. So we know that Stockbridge. Go ahead and if one pops up, click on it. Same thing. Upload the photos. First photo being the front picture of the house, or maybe a good picture of the kitchen or something like that. And then same thing. Copy and paste. Copy this here, and in describe you actually click on this where it says describe your item, paste right there. All your pictures will be below, and you have to add at least one photo. So I will go into here, go into where I have the photos, and I don't, so I'm just going to grab a picture of anything. So this is a different house, but this is just an example posting. And after it comes up, then it will let you hit next. You click next. And if Stockbridge is one of these, then great. If not, just select anything about Atlanta investment property or anything investment property like Atlanta real estate investors. Click on that. Atlanta real estate deals, Atlanta wholesalers, Atlanta real estate wholesale. These others that don't describe Atlanta or real estate, don't worry about that. You don't have to click those, but it helps to click all these that like list your property. Hard money has nothing to do with it. Real estate. Click on there. Real estate. Atlanta. Anyway, then you click post and it immediately posts to everywhere. And that is it for Facebook Marketplace. Another place we need to go to is myhousedeals.com. So once you're on myhousedeals.com, you just click on, and you're already logged in, go to post a property. And it's pretty easy. This one, you go back to the flyer and copy and paste the whole address. That's just the street. So move that. Stockbridge. 0281. And next step. Property type house. Single family house. Part of town. Stockbridge. 3 beds. So just fill it out. It's pretty simple. On this one, it does ask the ARV, the after repaired value. So we go back and check ARV. Here it is, ARV. Fill that in there. You can get all this data. I guess we do need year built, so we'll add that to the flyer. So you'll have that information. The details are the same as this right here. You just copy and paste this paragraph, and I believe you can actually copy and paste all of this for this website. Asking price $65,000, flexible on price. Estimated cost for repairs, you can say the low end of the range, paint, carpet, flooring, light yard work. And this is not on the sale on the MLS. Sorry, yes, this one is. Asking price on the MLS, $100,000. And on this one, you would actually click to select files and put that flyer in PDF format. So whatever the flyer is, that's what you would upload right here. So let's just, whatever the flyer's name is, put that there. Click next step. Oh, we didn't finish that. So it's not going to let us go to the next step, but so I'll just go ahead and finish this real quick. Oh, garage. It actually does have a carport. And it won't let us upload that file. So all we'll do is upload a picture. No, this is only PDF. So that's what we got right now. I'll make sure the PDF is small enough to upload, and then you just hit finish.